welcome back to my channel. Today maybe a little bit of a different video. I did get plenty of questions about my trekking poles, why I carry them all the time, and I do. There's one exception. If I know it's a totally flat trail like the one I did to Kaina Point, then I never bring poles, kind of a nuisance. But anytime up or downhill, which most of the trails are here in Oahu, they definitely come with me, and there is many reasons for that. Number one reason I do all those hikes is to lose weight. Now normally when you walk, it's pretty much a lower body workout. As soon as you bring those poles and you push yourself up or use your upper body strength, it makes a full body workout, burns more calories. I like that. And again, pulling yourself up, going uphill, you put them in front of you, and you can use as much pressure as you want with your upper body to help you get up. Going down, the other way around, it takes the pressure off your knees especially. You can support yourself when you jump down those big steps. You can make them a little bit longer. It's normally what I do. Downhill. For me that makes a difference if I can go the next day again or I'm in pain, especially knees, leg pain, anything like that. So yeah, poles, I love them. Another reason, here when I go out in the morning first thing, I don't know how many spider webs I ate already. With the poles you can kind of clear out what's in front of you. Also, if it's a muddy spot, when it's covered in water and you don't really know where to step on, you kind of can feel where is the harder spot, or let's say you walk in the snow, places like that. It helps. Sometimes when I do bushwhacking, it's totally overgrown, it's just kind of green. You kind of feel, is there actually something to step on, or is it just leaves or whatever, and you're gonna fall. So yeah. Another great thing to have those. Now if you do, not really here in Hawaii, but if you hike somewhere in bear country or more on the mainland, first thing, you can make some noise to scare any kind of animals away, even the boars. I know they don't like that. If something attacks you, you can use them for defense. If you encounter a bear, maybe you can use them to make you look bigger. You probably know you definitely don't want to turn around and try to run away. That is not a good idea. So again, another reason to bring them. Let's see, just recently I purchased a tent. I'm planning to do some 2 or 3 day hikes. And the tent I got is a pole tent. So I actually need the poles to support the tent, but then makes the weight of the tent much lighter. Probably gonna do that soon in a future video, I hope. I haven't tested it yet. Let's see how that goes. You may hear the water. I'm right next to a stream. So again, stream crossings, so much help those poles. Again, it just supports you more. You have 4 legs, pretty much. Just a few days ago, I did see a guy. He had one of those, they're called stick picks, I guess, and he put his camera on the trekking pole and he used it as a selfie stick. I haven't tried that yet, but it looked interesting. Other than that, how to hold them, that's maybe a thing I should talk about quick. Now most videos, or most trekking pole tutorials tell you to go through here and hold them like this. Now I do that too when I go cross-country skiing. For hiking, the last thing I want to do is fall, slip, and then break my wrist because I'm trapped in here, because I can catch myself. So I actually never use that strap. I think ever. I should take it off. What I do, I use Lakey's here. And what I like on them especially is the big flat top here. So what I do, I put my thumb here, my fingers go underneath, and I use them like this. And that's kind of how I go up or down. So if I fall, of course I can just let go. That's just my recommendation so far. I never had any issues. I just don't want to be trapped in here. That's kind of my thing. Again, as for those Waikikis, again, they're, I don't know, 10 years old, aluminium. Nowadays, most people bring those carbon ones. They're much more expensive, but I still like them better. Okay, now, so going uphill, first you want to shorten them a little bit, since they're normally ahead of you, so like one step up. Hold them on top, fingers like this, and now you can just push yourself up with them. Okay, now going down slope, the reverse thing, make sure they're longer. I normally keep them way longer, so now they're ahead of you, and you kind of have your weight on the poles when you come down like this. If it's a big step, see like this. Again, it just keeps the weight of your knees, so the next morning you still can go and do another trail or go to work, and you won't be ending up in big pain. And that's pretty much it, going downhill. So again, stream crossings, poles, easy peasy. Okay, one more thing you can use them for. Let's say you're uphill for like a few hours already and you're totally exhausted. No place to sit down. You can just hold them like this and kind of rest like this for a while. Take the pressure off your knees or off your legs. That helps. Disadvantages, there is a few, especially here in Hawaii where we go through the rainforest a lot. If it's totally overgrown, they get trapped in the bushes, and what I do then, I fold them up and put it in my backpack. Now unfortunately those, they're still about this length, so they stick out a little bit, and they sometimes get trapped on a tree branch or so. So I wish they would go a little bit shorter. Obviously there is some manufacturers make shorter ones than that. Other than that, I haven't found any disadvantages yet with bringing them on pretty much every trail I go to. If you have any questions or comments, leave them below. And thanks for watching. I see you all next time. Stay safe. Aloha. Shaka.